Good morning, Lakeland students. Welcome to day number 4 of still having some bone-chilling cold outside. It was like negative 54 degrees last night with the wind chill. And we're doing some more e-learning today. Again, stay warm, inside advisably. It's still really cold outside. Like we said yesterday, frostbite can occur really quickly depending on how long you're outside and what kind of skin you have exposed. So just be smart if you choose to go outside and travel today. Things related to school, we're going to be doing e-learning again, as mentioned. Hopefully this is going to be our last day this week. 4 in a row is pretty tough. I know. It's tough for me too. Athletes, you still need to be in contact with your coaches to see whether or not the school allows specific practice and conditioning to occur. As far as I know, they said the facilities are going to be closed today, which means I don't think any teams can practice. But don't quote me on that. You have to check in with your coach. I will not be at school tomorrow on Friday. I had already scheduled this to be gone. You can probably hear my dog walking in the background. Her claws are kind of loud. I'm unsure whether or not our guest speaker will come in tomorrow or possibly wait till Monday. This is for my health class only. Weight training and elective PE will do our normal thing. I will know more later today from our guest speaker, so be attentive and polite if she does decide to come into health class on Friday. Again, your attendance. I'm reminding you again. Your attendance is completed by finishing and submitting your work for e-learning day. Now, we've had 4 in a row. So your e-learning is due 2 days after you return to school. So at this point, Monday, if we have school tomorrow like normal, Monday evening would be the day that your assignments, all of your assignments, would be due. So if you don't have them done, you're essentially going to have the weekend to kind of cram and get them done too for yourself if need be. Hopefully you've been up to date and on time with getting things, so you're not going to have to cram and spend your entire weekend doing work. Again, just like the past 3 days, look for the e-learning day folder labeled 13119. Once you get into there, you're going to see, again, the contact sheet for resource room staff. If you need to email me, my email should be in there as well on that document. Feel free to do that any time of the day. I have my phone with me and the internet turned on all day long, so I get notification when you email. If you have a question, don't hesitate. I'm here to help. Other than that, stay warm. Enjoy, hopefully, your last day off here this week. I know it's been frustrating for probably both me and you. So just stay safe, stay warm, and hopefully we'll see you all next week.